Hey, I'm with Josh from Brown Dog Gadgets. And teachers, if you know Brown Dog Gadgets, you know they've got some great information, great resources, great ideas, and all sorts of stuff to really boost your STEM learning in your classrooms. BrownDogGadgets.com. But Josh, you've got some great opportunities for teachers to get some free stuff, free training this summer, right?
Yes, we're doing a 40-hour free virtual workshop. We're getting a sponsor through the Pathfinders Institute, and we'll be doing that in the middle of June. It'll be 40 hours over 2 weeks. Amanda, whose name is in the corner here, whose Zoom account I'm using, will be running that, and we'll be covering all sorts of circuitry. But our focus is on microbit and doing microbit with
Yeah.
LEGO. So turning LEGO and microbit into working robotics projects, because quite frankly, who doesn't like LEGO and who doesn't like microbits?
Yeah.
So we'll be sending out a giant box full of materials, including a full one of our Bitboard rover kits. We'll be building this, a remote, um, and doing all sorts of microbit learning. So really it's geared towards new educators. So if you know nothing about microbit and nothing about robotics, this is for you if you're
Yeah.
interested. And even if you're an intermediate teacher, we'll be going over quite a few things, from a refresher for the basics up to some more advanced stuff, and really how to get the most out of your microbit, how to expand those wonderful built-in features and cool things it has that most people don't touch, and how to use those in your classroom.
Right. And I know a lot of kids are already using microbits, and of course, kids are using Legos. So it's a great combination. I know it's free. I know there's limited number of spots. You want to increase over how many people you did it last year. You had 100 and some teachers, but you want to have even more this year. And link is in the show notes, educators, if you're wondering about it. It sounds like just something great, an opportunity for educators, right, Josh?
Yes, it is. And you have to be a public or charter school teacher or librarian in the United States. That's who it's open to. It's from our sponsor, has those restrictions. And teachers can sign up now. It's a pretty easy application project. And if you have any questions, yeah, the link will take you there. Or Amanda, if you want to email us in our office, we'll get back to you and help walk you through that paperwork process. But it's pretty quick and easy.
Awesome. Really appreciate it, Josh. Keep up the great work at browndoggadgets.com.